What's up, high school credit? So again, a good chunk of you are not turning in any work. I'm just going to assume that's how it's going to go for the rest of the year. So bear in mind, if you are not getting passing grades, you're not going to get the high school credit. There's also an end of the year exam. The presentation of these two monologues in audition form is going to be your end of year exam. And if you do not pass that, then you're not going to get the high school credit.
Time to take attendance.
Um, so yeah, just something to keep in mind. If you're wanting that high school credit, you need to do the audition monologues, okay? So I just wanted to hop on here to give you guys a heads up of what is coming for the next few weeks. This week, we are in person finishing up work on our monologues, on our dramatic monologues. And then next week, I'm having them present just the dramatic ones. And then for the remainder of the week, we are going to be watching one of my favorite movies to help prepare everyone for the 8th grade social studies STAR test. So we are going to be watching Gone with the Wind. It is available for purchase on YouTube for like $15. I'm pretty sure it's on a few other platforms like Amazon and things like that. So that is going to be up for my virtual learners as a bonus assignment. So if you're able to get access to Gone with the Wind, I will take that grade and I will plug it in somewhere to help get your grades up because a lot of you have 70s. You only have a 70 because I've been uber nice. You know that a good chunk of you deserve a lot less than the 70. So I'm just going to leave that there. But yeah, so I'm going to put that up. And if you do it, you'll get extra credit. My kids that are face-to-face, you just have to do it because I'm making you. And then after the 8th grade STAR, we are going to work on the comedic monologues. After that, I am going to do mock auditions. So the kids that are face-to-face are going to have to do their comedic and dramatic monologues. And then I'm going to give them cold readings that they have to do from a script and try and present it. So those of you that are not face to face, you're going to have some variation of that to do where you have to do both monologues at the same time. And a reading that I will post like that day, and the video you do will be due that day. So I know you don't have a ton of time to practice it because like in most auditions, you don't have a lot of time to practice. But I'm just giving you that heads up now. And then, yeah, and then we're basically to the end of the school year. I do want to try and squeeze in 1 week where we are talking with people that are out there in the world doing theater as a career or doing film as a career. So I'm aiming to do that like the second to last week of school. Fingers crossed. So we'll see how the timing of all of that goes. Guys, the year is almost done and it's just crazy. So yeah. I think that's all I had to tell you. So this week, if you are not up to speed with your dramatic monologue, make sure you're doing that work. This is me shouting out and saying, make sure you're getting those monologues done because it's part of your exam. Okay?